Welcome back, students, and welcome to my new students. I am Math Wizard. Today, going to go over a problem with you about sharing. And you'll probably notice here that I am not in my usual Wizard's Tower, and that is because I'm having a pretty normal problem for this time of year, a ghost infestation. Got a lot of ghosts upstairs, and a few out back. Thankfully, though, I have the cure. I know how to get rid of ghosts. A secret family recipe of muffins. Sharing these muffins among these ghosts, surefire way to get rid of them, make sure that they don't come back. So I have 5 muffins to share with 3 ghosts. So sharing 5 things with 3 things. If I want to give each ghost the same amount, how much would they each get? We've done our read step, and we're looking for a smaller number. We're looking for a part. We're not looking for a total. We know our total, 5 muffins. We're looking for a part. So I can tell that I'm passing something out here. I am dividing. Our next step is to draw. I want to kind of put this division out of my head for a second and just think about how would I share 5 things among 3 people. So I have a brother and I have a sister. So I'm used to sharing with 2 other people, sharing among 3 people. How much would I get? Let's draw my 5 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When you look at these equal sharing problems, I want you to think about what would I do if I were sharing these items among this number of people? What would I do if I was at home with my siblings or someone else in my family sharing these 3 things? Well, to start off with, there's more muffins than there are ghosts, right? We have ghost number 1, ghost number 2, and ghost number 3. And there's more muffins than there are ghosts. So each ghost is going to get their own whole muffin. 1, 2, and 3. Everybody's going to get at least 1. But now we have these 2 left. That's not enough to split them evenly among these 3 people. But I'll tell you that if we had muffins or cupcakes or something to share with me and my brother and sister, we're not just going to get rid of these or figure out someone else to get them, right? I'm going to cut them into pieces. How many pieces do I need to cut these into in order to share them with my 3 ghosts? Well, it's easy. If I only had 1, right, I would cut it into 3 pieces, right? And ghost number 1 would get this piece, ghost number 2 would get this piece, and ghost number 3 would get this piece. But since I have 2 of them, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to cut this one also into 3 separate pieces. So now each ghost is getting 1 whole one, and then 1, 2 parts of 1. When we write about our parts, we need to write, okay, how many did they get? They got 2 of those parts. And then how many is in a whole muffin? We got 2 parts out of how much is a whole muffin? 2 out of 3, or 1 and 2 thirds. We got our D step here. We found our answer. Let's write out our final answer. Each ghost will get 1 and 2 thirds muffins. And I'm done. I'm going to go see if this works. Should. I have faith in my secret family recipe. You get started on some of these equal sharing problems. I'll let you know how my experiment goes. See you soon.